In this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. I will take only 2 minutes to make it. Hope you watch the full video. So let's begin. Search canva.com. You will see an interface like this. Sign up with your Gmail account. It's quite simple. After sign up, then click on YouTube thumbnail. Here you will find many free templates. Select one according to your topic of your video. I select one. Delete the image here and upload your image. For uploading your photo, click on upload. Click on upload file. Upload required image and screenshot or anything from your computer to put your thumbnail. I am uploading my required image and logo. Now set the image to your thumbnail. But I need to remove the background of my image. I am doing it in one click. I have Canva Pro. If you don't have, do it another way. I am showing it now. Search background remove busy. Click on upload. Select your photo. Then click on download. I am setting the image and the logo in the right place. The background color does not look good. Have to change. For that, click on color, then select color from here. Now I will change the text according to my needs. Select the text, click on delete from the keyboard. Enter the text as per your requirement. Finally click enter from your keyboard. If you want to add new text, click on text. Select any font style here. Enter your text. Then set as required. Finished making my thumbnail. Now I will save. Click on share. Click on download. Thanks for watching.